What's up, lovely people? Welcome back. So for today's video, I'm going to make something sweet, and based on the title, you know exactly what I'm going to make. So let's get straight to this recipe. So here I have all the ingredients. You will need ripe bananas, unbleached all-purpose flour, or you can choose any other flour of choice. You will need some sort of plant-based milk. I'm using soy milk. The blueberries. You will need salt, coconut oil, baking soda, baking powder, brown sugar, and I'm also going to add some almond and vanilla extract. Now the full list and measurements will be in the description, so make sure you check that out. The first step is to add your bananas to a bowl and mash them. After you have mashed the bananas, you want to add the wet ingredients as well as the brown sugar. After combining all the wet ingredients, it's time to add the dry ingredients, and I'm going to sift them. After adding all the dry ingredients, you want to gently fold them in. You don't want to overwork this, okay? After combining the wet and the dry ingredients, you want to add the blueberries, and make sure that you gently fold them in as well. After you're done, your batter should have a consistency like this, not too runny and not too thick. To bake these, I'm going to use a muffin tin, and I went ahead and add the liners. So start adding your batter to the cups and try not to fill them up too much, because you want to leave room for when the muffins rise. So once you're done, you want to put these in your oven and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Exactly 30 minutes later, the muffins are baked, and you can use a knife to test if the inside is cooked as well. And as you can tell, the knife is clean. So I'm going to take these out and rest them on a rack so that they could cool off a bit. Honestly, these were amazing, so delicious, and the aroma will have your entire house smelling like a bakery. And there you have it. Stay tuned for some more recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for some more recipes, and until next time, God bless.